This is the symbol of जालियनवाला बाग मसाकर, जो यहाँ पे सालों पहले हुआ था, and a lot of people died, and a lot of people have seen this particular movie Kesari Chapter 2, which also reflects what happened on that particular day, which is still being one of the most sad thing to witness or remember in the Indian history. If you can see, I'll take you to the close-up shots. And this is the Jallianwala Bagh place, which you have seen in the movie exactly. This opens in the daytime after 7 o'clock in the morning. So I'll bring you here after few hours. So we'll be going to the Golden Temple, which is right straight walk from here. And once we are back to Jallianwala Bagh in the afternoon time, I'll show you what's inside this place. Very similar to what you have seen in the movie. So as of now, let's go walk straight through these beautiful lanes all the way to Golden Temple, straight up there. हेलो हाय सत श्री अकाल। सुबह सुबह हम लोग लगभग सुबह के अभी 4 बज रहे हैं, तो हम लोग सुबह 4 बजे के आसपास इधर पहुंच चुके हैं। कहाँ पे? Day 2 starts off with this beautiful place that is Golden Temple, अमृतसर गोल्डन टेम्पल। जैसे कि मैंने आपको पिछले ब्लॉग में बताया, दिस इज़ द पार्ट 2 एंड हम लोग यहाँ पे स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं गोल्डन टेम्पल अमृतसर, जहाँ पे हम लोग की दिन की शुरुआत। आई शो यू कि कहाँ पे हम लोग को बैग सबमिट करना है, कहाँ पे हम लोग को जूते सबमिट करने हैं और कैसे एंट्री है और क्या लुक है, क्या है क्या नहीं है। आई शो यू ऑल दिस प्लेसेस एंड लेट्स गो इन एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट ऑफ द जर्नी विद द ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ the Golden Temple. This is the beautiful view of this temple. So once you come here towards the left hand side, if you go out to that place, that's where you can drop your baggages and shoes. Here's the details, you can just look. For shoe depositing and for baggage room, you have to go to the left hand side towards that side. You can get water as well. So walking straight from this place is where you have to drop your shoes before entering. So this is where the shoes are kept. You get a token for this. So after taking a left, you will find this, which is the baggage room. Drop your baggages as well towards this side. सो वी आर जस्ट आउट अराउंड 7:30। हम लोग अंदर गए थे 6 बजे, उसका एक फ़ोटो मैं डाल दूँगा। लाइन बहुत थी और जाके लंगर में खाना खा के आते आते अराउंड 7:30 हो गया। इतनी अच्छी लग रही है धूप निकलने के बाद। आपने पहले देखा था कि व्हेन वी आर एंटरिंग सुबह कैसी दिख रही थी रात में, अर्ली मॉर्निंग। और अभी कितनी खूबसूरत लग रही है। सो दीपिका जी, हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस?
बहुत
कैसी
अच्छा
लगी
लगा।
आपको? पहला बार, मैं तो तीसरा बार आया हूँ बट इन पहली
मुझे
बार
तो
आए।
बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत ही अच्छा था, बहुत सुंदर था।
So this is the entrance to the Jallianwala Bagh. Ignore the sound which was coming from the background. That is the security check sound. But anyways, this was the way through which we entered Jallianwala Bagh. The same clip which I showed you in the early morning, and I told you I'll bring you in the afternoon session. So this is it. So this is the well, actually, where a lot of people of those time jumped to save their lives. The wall which you are seeing here and those marked places are all the bullet mark signs, which are the real bullets which were shot by the British to kill our people. If you can see in this, you can pause this place and see and read everything. This is the second wall, and if you can see the same way the chalk marks are given where the original bullets were shot and people died. If you want to see that how this happened, you can watch the film Kesari Chapter 2 and you can find how people ran to save their lives, but the British people actually shot them down here and people died on this place.
So guys, this is just for an information. This is a hop on, hop off bus from this museum area, which is right opposite to Brothers Dhaba. You can see Brothers Dhaba, उसके opposite में ही है. This cost around 360, 370 including GST, which have a rooftop as well, and inside it is AC. So it takes you to Wagah border at 360, 370 rupees, and for a whole day trip it's got around 1000 rupees. I'll drop you a link where you can book from this bus, but we are going in a shared taxi or shared auto for our same location at 600 rupees. This is the Durgiana temple, which I earlier mentioned in the previous vlog that we came in Durgiana Express. So this is the Durgiana temple.
So this is the Atari railway station. Actually, we came here to see the same place where Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Veer Zara and other films were shot. Now no more train operate after the revocation of the Article 370. The last train was Samjhota Express, which was stopped at August 8, 2019. And after that the trains completely stopped, which used to run between Delhi and Lahore. So this is the Indian side which you are seeing, and the other side of the platform after beside the fence, that is the customs and immigrations, and that side used to be the Pakistan. But now no more trains operate, and that was the last when the train operated.
Guys, if you can see, that is Indian border. और मैं और जूम करता हूँ, वो है इंडिया बॉर्डर, और उस बॉर्डर के उस पार में जितने भी आपको घास फूस दिख रहे हैं वो सब है पाकिस्तान. इस साइड में भी ऐसा ही है. दैट इज़ द बॉर्डर एंड उसके अपोजिट में है पाकिस्तान. So finally we are done with our Atari Wagah Border show. Very tired, but it was very good. I hope you liked it as well.
बहुत अच्छा लगा
So
स्पीकर अभी बट
बहुत थक गए अभी. We have a train to catch at 9:40 p.m. from Amritsar station. We'll go there and sign off the videos for today's one. And that signing it off from Amritsar right now. And it was a fantastic trip. I hope you love the vlogs and the video footages and everything on the YouTube video uploaded now. So from here we are off to Chandigarh. From Chandigarh we are off to Shimla, where we'll be traveling through Shimla. We'll be boarding the train right now. I'm completely exhausted and drenched, as you can see. So let's take it off from here, and we'll see you on the next episode when we land in Shimla. Off next. Bye bye. Peace out.
This was the way we actually reached Shimla. It was extremely foggy when we were reaching. Trust me, the visibility was almost less than 50-60 meters. This was so tough. You can see in the different video clips that how difficult was it for the driver to drive even the bus. I don't know how was he driving. A great initiative by the driver of Zing Bus. We took Zing Bus, and here are the few clips which we shot throughout the Shimla travel in and around. Overall, everything was good. Throughout the course of the day, the weather improved a bit, so we traveled in and around to the beautiful places. So we see you in the next one on the other side.